Hello everyone, friends from around the world. Welcome to the course, Product Management, Master Skills and Get Your Job. Product management is a highly sought-after position in the internet and technology fields today. It serves as the hub connecting users, technology, and business. In major countries around the world, the salary of a product manager is significantly higher than the local average. Due to its high compensation and challenging nature, many people join this profession or aspire to become product managers each year. I've encountered many people who are puzzled by the same key question. Can product management be learned through training? Can training help me land a job as a product manager? It's important to note that product management is a relatively young profession, and there are very few university degrees in product management or product management-related fields globally. Most people transition from other careers or related fields directly into product management. Beyond learning through work practice, is it possible to rapidly acquire product management skills through training? The answer is yes. According to a survey by a well-known organization, those who attended product management training courses benefit from the following advantages in interviews: 30% to 50% increase in success rates, preparation time reduced by around 50%, higher acceptance at top companies. By taking this course, you will master the knowledge and skills required for product management. You will gain targeted skill improvements, and through simulated exercises and feedback, increase your chances of success in interviews. Many people report that after taking numerous courses, they quickly forget the content. This is because most courses are purely theoretical and focus on explaining knowledge points without practical application, making it harder to retain the information. According to statistics, passive listening to lectures has a higher failure rate than active learning with practice and feedback methods. Additionally, test scores are generally lower. The concept of deliberate practice was proposed by psychologist Anders Ericsson and his team. Their research shows that top performers are not born with exceptional talents, but achieve their level of excellence through long-term, deliberate practice that continually enhances their skills and performance. Learning product management also requires continuous, deliberate practice. This course combines lectures, practice, and feedback. I focus not only on giving you information, but also on helping you produce results. You will learn through hands-on practice. Since you come from diverse skill levels, industry backgrounds, and product domains, it's important to tailor the learning experience to individual needs. For example, you might be a beginner, unfamiliar with certain product management terms like iteration or Scrum, or you may be looking to specialize in AI and want to dive deeper into that area of knowledge and skills. Providing personalized support to meet your unique needs will make your learning more efficient. Therefore, I create personalized learning profiles for each student to understand your specific goals and provide customized assistance. If you encounter any issues during the course, I can send you learning suggestions and offer reference materials and documents to help resolve your concerns. A product expert can typically come up with a product solution immediately when given a task. However, a beginner product manager who has only worked on front-end development might struggle if asked to work on a back-end product development project. This often means starting from scratch, affecting work efficiency. The difference lies in the fact that the product expert has already built a product solution library, while the beginner has not. A product solution library includes common models like order management, products, customer service, work orders, permission management, and login processes. Having these models in your mind allows for efficient product development. In addition to this course, we will also offer a series of product manager workshop courses. These will cover end-to-end development and management of both B2B and B2C products, giving you the opportunity to build your own product design model library and solutions. Deliberate practice will help reinforce the concepts learned in this course. For product tools, like Axure RP for prototyping, we offer an Axure RP Core Skills course. These tools can be learned quickly, so we recommend not spending too much time on them. If you're looking to transition into a career as a product manager, business analyst, or product designer, or if you're a student aiming to secure a role in one of these fields, or if you're a product manager, business analyst, or product designer with 0 to 2 years of experience but lack a comprehensive knowledge base and skill set, this course is for you. It's also ideal for those looking to better understand the full product development process, team collaboration, and user requirements. By the end of the course, you will master the key skills for developing and designing modern internet and technology products, building a complete product knowledge system, and laying the foundation for your career development. Learn the methods for acquiring product management knowledge and skills, allowing you to keep up with the ever-evolving field of internet and technology. Gain valuable career development support. I will help answer questions you encounter in work, study, and practice, and we will assist you in finding the right job. We provide the support you need for professional growth. This course is divided into 5 main parts. Product Manager Overview. Learn the fundamentals of the product manager role. Product Strategy. Explore the principles and techniques of product strategy management. Product Lifecycle. Understand the management of the entire product lifecycle. Relevant Skills. Develop professional skills related to product management and collaboration with team members. Career Development. Learn how to secure a product manager role and plan for long-term career growth. I am your course instructor. With many years of experience as a product manager, I've served as an instructor in training organizations and am currently the product director and co-founder of Axureboutique. Previously, I held positions in major internet companies and IT consulting firms, accumulating extensive industry expertise. As product management is practice-oriented, beyond watching the video lessons, you'll need to engage in a significant amount of hands-on exercises. Please actively submit your assignments to receive feedback. This approach will help you progress much faster. If you encounter any challenges during your learning journey, feel free to contact me via email or Facebook Messenger for quicker assistance. As mentioned earlier, we will create personalized learning profiles for all enrolled students. To help us serve you better, please provide your relevant information after joining the course. To celebrate the launch of the Product Manager series, the first 500 participants can use the following discount code to enjoy a 20% discount. Let's make this journey unforgettable. See you in class.